Welcome back to another captivating episode of Author Success. Today, we delve into the captivating world of titles, exploring the power and allure of a compelling book title. Join me as we unlock the secrets to crafting a title that will leave readers longing for more. My name is Brooke Davis, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this enlightening journey. First, let us look at the importance of a strong title. Picture this. You walk into a bookstore, and amidst the sea of literary treasures, your eyes are drawn to a specific book with a title that simply captivates you. A good title has the power to not only catch your reader's attention, but also convey the essence of your book at a glance. Crafting a compelling title is like a magnetic force that draws readers in, evoking their curiosity, and making them want to explore the pages within. A good title acts as the gateway to your story, the first impression that potential your readers receive. It is akin to the cover of a book, and in this era of digital media, where countless books are just a click away, a standout title is paramount to ensure your work rises above the noise and grabs attention. This is why a good title is very important. What are the characteristics of a compelling book title? Now that we recognize the significance of a strong title, let's explore the key characteristics that make a book title truly compelling. 1. Intrigue. A good title should arouse curiosity and leave readers yearning to uncover the story behind it. Words like mystery, secrets, or unveiled instill a sense of intrigue and entice readers to engage further. 2. Emotion. Titles that evoke strong emotions immediately connect with readers on a deeper level. Whether it's through romance, fear, or hope, tapping into the raw emotions of your audience will create an instant bond and resonate with them long after they've closed the book. 3. Resonance. A title that resonates with the theme or mood of your book establishes cohesion and allows readers to anticipate what lies ahead. Employing symbolism or metaphors relevant to your story can infuse your title with a profound impact, leaving a lasting impression. 4. Uniqueness. In a sea of books vying for attention, a distinctive title is crucial. Stand out from the crowd by avoiding overused phrases or clichés, and dare to think outside the box. A creative and original title will surely make your book stand tall among the rest. Now let us get into the real art of crafting a compelling title. Translating your incredible story into a captivating title demands careful consideration and a touch of creativity. Let's now uncover some strategies to create a compelling book title that will leave readers spellbound. 1. Brainstorming. Begin by brainstorming keywords and phrases that encapsulate the heart of your story. Consider the emotions, themes, and pivotal moments that define your book. Jot down as many ideas as you can, allowing your imagination to roam free. 2. Research. Widen your horizons by researching successful book titles within your genre. Analyze what makes those titles impactful and see how you can incorporate similar elements into your own creation. Remember, this isn't about copying, but rather learning from the masters of the craft. 3. Wordplay. Delve into the wonderful world of wordplay, where language becomes a playground of creative opportunities. Experiment with alliteration, puns, or clever phrasing to infuse your title with an extra touch of memorability. However, be cautious not to sacrifice clarity for creativity. 4. Feedback. Seek feedback from trusted friends, fellow authors, or even online writing communities. Gauge their reactions and refine your title based on their invaluable insights. A fresh pair of eyes can often spot the hidden gems you might have overlooked. Let's take a look at the final touches. Congratulations! You've crafted a compelling book title. Now, it's time to ensure it truly shines. Pay attention to the final touches that will elevate your title to new heights. 1. Simplicity. Avoid overwhelming your title with unnecessary complexities. Simplicity often speaks volumes, so aim for a concise yet impactful title that is easy to remember and share. 2. Readability. Consider the font type, size, and color of your title when designing its cover. Ensure that it remains legible and visually appealing, both in print and digital formats. 3. Harmonization. Achieve a harmonious connection between your title, book cover, and overall branding. A cohesive and aesthetically pleasing package will further entice readers to explore your literary treasure. In conclusion, crafting a compelling book title is an art form that requires a delicate balance of creativity, research, and understanding your target audience. Your title should be a beacon of magnetism, guiding potential readers to embark on an unforgettable journey within the pages of your book. Remember, a well-crafted title is not just a doorway, it holds immense power to mesmerize, provoke, and ultimately captivate your readers. So, embrace the power of words, channel your creativity, and create a title that echoes long after the last page has been turned. I hope you found this exploration of the power of a compelling book title enlightening. As always, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest literary adventures. For a deeper dive on this topic, click the link below this video to read our latest book, How to Craft Irresistible Kindle Book Titles. Until next time, happy writing!